Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed can't turn off airplane mode in Windows 11, 10. First method is turn off airplane mode using physical switch. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Radio Management Service. Change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. Third method is right-click start button, click device manager. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click properties, click power management tab. Uncheck allow the computer to turn on this device to save power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.